A new report is giving more insight into how expensive childcare is and how it's impacting families and businesses in the Tennessee Valley.
Our Cornelia Nicholson is here in the studio with more on that story for us. Cornelia?
Well, David, Cindy, the report by the Tennesseans for Quality Early Education says working parents in the state are struggling to find and afford childcare. The study found that here in Hamilton County, families lost more than $60 million because of childcare this year. Tennesseans for Quality Early Education, also known as TEAC, surveyed more than 2,000 working parents with children under the age of 6 across the state.
The purpose of the report was really to understand a lot of what we have heard anecdotally about childcare being a challenge for many, many working parents, particularly of young children.
Blair Taylor, CEO of TEAC, says unaffordable childcare was a growing crisis pre-pandemic and now only continues to get worse. Their study found that center-based care comes with a hefty price tag, with parents paying $11,000 for infants and $10,000 for toddlers annually.
Childcare in Tennessee, it costs more than in-state college tuition.
She says inadequate childcare costs Hamilton County taxpayers and businesses millions of dollars. But parents have been hit the hardest, losing earnings of $60.6 million annually. Many parents say the lack of childcare has caused issues with their jobs.
1 in 5 said they were quit or were fired. They quit or were fired as a result of childcare problems. 1 in 4 turned down a job offer or promotion. Another 1 in 4 were not able to work the number of hours they wanted. Actually, 8% of them, and these are working parents, 8% of them just left the workforce altogether because they couldn't make it pencil out.
With more early educators leaving the field because they can't make ends meet, there's less access to childcare for families. To fix the issue, Taylor says businesses and the government need to step up.
And in Tennessee, we've done wonderfully in supporting, creating through the Tennessee Promise Program and Hope Scholarship and others. We've made investments in supporting post-secondary. And we think it's time to look early and think about those as bookends.
Taylor says they're hoping to find solutions to this issue during the legislation session in Nashville. David, Cindy.